Let's make a terrarium. Hi guys, my name is Kashmira and I'm an architect. I have dedicated this YouTube channel to make content about architecture, interiors, and even home decor. And today's video is going to be about home decor. Let's dive right into it. A terrarium is kind of like a miniature garden or forest which is made inside a glass bowl which is transparent, and it consists of different varieties and species of plants, and it gives a very beautiful look and feel to your room. The first step of making a terrarium is to add a layer of gravels or stones or pebbles, anything that you can find outside of your house. What we're going to do next is add a layer of activated charcoal, which is going to prevent any bacteria or fungi entering. Coming from an architecture and an interior design background, I've always been taught that getting nature inside your house lightens up the mood by so much, and it makes you feel warm and calm and peaceful, and that's exactly what this is going to do when you place it inside your house.
Next, what we're going to do is going to add a layer of mesh.
So now I have cut this mesh and tried to make it as circular and to the correct size that is needed for this glass bowl. And now what this mesh is going to do is that it's going to serve as a divider between the activated charcoal and the soil mix. You can easily find a similar kind of a mesh in a nursery or even a stationery shop.
Now we come to the most important step of making our terrarium, is about preparing our soil. In order to prepare our soil, what we're going to use is just regular potting soil, mix a little bit of perlite and mix some fertilizer in it.
One thing you should always remember while picking up the species of plants for your terrarium is that they have similar kind of water requirements. So here I have some very interesting species of plants. This is a pothos. It's a marble queen pothos. It is in India usually we call pothos a money plant, but this has a little bit of variation in color. Then I have this bamboo, really tiny little bamboo. Then I have these two phytonias, and then there is this syngonium and also this miniature palm. And I'm going to try and see if I can fit all of these plants inside this tiny little bowl.
We are going to make it look as aesthetically pleasing as we can. I'm trying to get in a little bit of contrast in terms of color through these white color pebbles, and I've also added regular stones that you find on the side of the road, and it will create a contrast between the white and the green and the dark green. Finally, we're going to add some moss in order to retain the moisture.
Now it's just time to add the final touches. So here we go. I'm just gonna mist water onto the plants and also on the sides. I want to make sure that I get the water on all the plants and also hopefully it reaches the roots. Because remember, we don't want to put too much water in, otherwise it's going to clog at the bottom and that might lead to root rot eventually. And there you have it. Once I clean this water up, our terrarium is ready.
Please let me know in the comments section what you think about this idea of placing a terrarium in your own house, and don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. It helps me immensely. Thank you for watching. Bye.